Here I have Motorola Moto E22i, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Talkback feature on this device. So first let's go to settings, then you should go to accessibility, and here you can find Talkback. So here you can enable it like this. After that, Talkback tutorial starts immediately, and it talks non-stop.
Talkback on. Welcome to Talkback. Welcome to Talkback, page 1 of 5. Talkback is a screen reader intended for situations or people who have difficulty seeing the screen. It gives you spoken feedback so that you can use your device without looking at the screen. You can turn Talkback on or off by holding both volume keys for several seconds. When Talkback is on, the focused item on the screen is spoken out loud. Swiping right will move to the next item, and swiping left will move to the previous item. Swipe right now to find the next button.
So as you could hear, and with this mode, it's mostly made from people with blindness or some other vision problems, and it works the way that it speaks out loud text on the screen. So for example, I tap on this banner and this whole text gets spoken out loud. You tap on a button.
Double tap to activate.
This button gets spoken out loud too. So as you could also hear, to operate in this mode you have to double tap anywhere on the screen to confirm any action. So for example, firstly you select a button, and then to select it, you just, to confirm it, you double tap anywhere on the screen like this. Close, double tap.
Settings.
So if you want to disable Talkback, tap on switch, double tap, stop, please.
Talkback off.
And that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.